Hello friends, today's video is about colorful kitchen designs, adding personality and vibrancy to your home. A colorful kitchen design can be a fantastic way to add personality and vibrancy to your home. By incorporating bold and bright hues, homeowners can create a space that is not only functional but also visually stunning. From statement-making island countertops to vibrant backspaces, colorful kitchen designs can add a level of excitement and energy to the heart of the home. Whether you prefer a bold and bright color scheme or more subtle and pastel approach, a colorful kitchen design can be tailored to suit your unique style and preferences. With the ability to mix and match different colors, textures, and materials, the possibilities for creating a truly one of a kind kitchen are endless. By incorporating colorful elements, homeowners can create a kitchen that is not only beautiful but also reflects their personality and style, making it a warm and inviting space for cooking, socializing, and making memories. Some popular ways to incorporate color into kitchen design include pole island countertops, vibrant backsplashes, colorful cabinets, accent colors. I hope you would have liked the video and subscribed the channel. Kindly share it with your friends and family and stay tuned for next video.